That's fine.
Hey, all you have to do is spray paint it whatever color you. It's in great shape. But her son, when he was 16, put all kinds of obscene crap on here.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
yeah, I'll take it.
If you want it for free.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a good board.
Let me bring my car around. I'm on the side.
Now you're really getting a good deal.
Yeah,
okay?
for free. Hey, I can't argue that.
Spray paint it black.
Okay guys, this is the free snowboard that I got from that garage sale or yard sale. I was trying to figure out what to do with it. I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do. I need to clean up all of this stuff here, take off the spray paint, and I got this graffiti mover to see if it actually works. I got these things off of Amazon here, so I am going to build a project and see if I can bring this thing back to life, but not in a snowboard manner. All right, let's see what we can do. Okay guys, I am going to put this stripper on. It says to leave it on for about an hour, but I think I'm just going to leave it overnight because it's getting dark. But as you can see, this snowboard is in bad shape. Got the actual bindings off, so I'm going to start spraying it. Let me see. I just leave it on overnight, see how this works. But yeah, it's in pretty bad shape. So let's see if this thing works. Okay everybody, we got Smalls in the house today. Clearly, as you can see, she is not small. She's large, but we call her Smalls. Not Smalley. Alright, let's put you down. Alright. Alright, so this is the finished product right here. Nice and smooth. Took all the graphics off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bench. And I'm going to use these indicator marks as a template. So I'm just going to use these two dots here and draw these on. It's not going to be perfect, but it's okay. And I'll do the same on the other side. All right. Okay guys, clearly the screws that came with these rack things aren't the right ones. I actually need something more specific with a nut and bolt to actually bolt through. Obviously these aren't deep enough, so I'm gonna have to finish this project tomorrow. Get some nuts and bolts. So, to be continued, I guess. Now, these look like wood screws, so. And this is what I used. I used just a pencil to mark the template, 5/16 drill, a tap or a punch to actually center it. Just hit it on the hammer. So we'll see how this goes tomorrow. Okay guys, I went and picked up these screws. These screws should actually fit, so let's put these on and see how this thing looks. Let's put it on here. is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'm going to use this stuff right here. A little Loctite, since it's going to be a seat. We don't want it to come out, so I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite in there. 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 Some on here. Boom. Boom. Alright. Grab this bad boy and tighten it up. Alright. Alright, and I'll do a quick twist of the hand. See what it looks like. Boom. There it is. Alright. Free snowboard. Made a nice bench out of it. It's nice and flush. Got to clean it up a little bit. There you go. Alright, I'm going to take some pictures of it in the sun. Give you a full idea of what it looks like. But that's the finished product. Right there. Kaboom.